Okay, guys, welcome to another year of Hour of Code. Thank you for participating, students and teachers. Today we're going to talk about an activity, Codecraft, in Python. We're actually using Python language to code today. Okay, so this is the main screen that you see right here. On the left hand side, you see your search, but you also see a menu of what you're going to be doing and what you're working through for the entire lesson. In the middle, you will have your instructions, right? So you can see this just kind of goes down and shows you the buttons on the top row and what they're for, those types of things. And then your workspace will be here to the right, okay? And this is the code that you'll be working on, all right? Okay, so they're showing you the buttons with arrows so that you can identify what each one is and what they do, okay? And then down here, it also does the same thing with icons. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move to the next part of this lesson. Now, in this lesson, you're building up, okay? So this one is print a message, everybody say hello. Let's look at some of the basic Python statements. In the code editor window to the right of this tutorial page, you'll see the following code. And there you see the code there. Here you see it right here, okay? Click the Run button at the top. In the console window below the code editor, you will see this text. Hello, Buzz Coders. Hello, Codecraft. Okay? The print parentheses is one of Python's many built-in functions. By its name, you may think it would send something to a printer, but its job is actually to show data onto the screen. When you write the print parentheses, you are calling a function. Here's the contents in the parentheses are called parameters or arguments. In the second print parentheses function, the empty parentheses means that there are no parameters, so it prints out a blank line. Okay? Blank line between the words. The parentheses are always required when calling a function in Python, even if there are no parameters. Now, let's write some code. At the end of the file, start a new line, add print parentheses statement to print out your own name. Hi, my name is. Make sure you begin your print parentheses statement at the very beginning of the line without spaces. Run the program again to see your message. It should look like this. Hi, my name is Buzz. Okay, so we're going to run it real quick. And there you can see the code at the bottom worked perfectly. So now we're going to go ahead and you can see that they actually have print parentheses between the two pieces of code they have written here. So we're going to hit enter. Then we're going to go print, right? Parentheses, like that. The second parentheses. So I'm going to hit enter and actually create another line of code. And I'm going to type print parentheses. And this time I'm going to say, hi, my name is, right? But you can see with the other coding that they have a little quote around that, right? So I'm actually going to put that up there as well. So I put that there, and I'm going to put hi, my name is Houston. And then I'm going to end it with that same type of quote and then a parentheses. Okay? Let's run it and see if that works. And there you go. The reason there's no space here is because I ran the program twice in a row. So this is the first program that's being run right here. And then this is me running that program the second time. And when I'm done this one, I just hit the arrow. It goes right to the next activity that you have to code, okay? Right there, you can see it went from print message to comments, all right? So each of these things deals with the language in Python. It gives you explicit instructions on how to code. You need to make sure that you read these instructions very carefully so that you can get this done. You have 9 activities to do this in, and they all build upon each other. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for participating in the Hour of Code. Have a good time and let us know how it goes, future programmers.